Hi guys, welcome to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get more Instagram followers through Business Manager by running a paid ads. So guys, before we get started, make sure you like my video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the future videos. Also guys, if you could really hit the subscribe button, that would really help us. Let's get to 100 subscribers. So guys, without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, the best way to get more followers for your Instagram business page is to run an Instagram story ads, and the best way to do that is through Facebook Business Manager. If you don't know how to set up your Facebook Business Manager or haven't done it before guys, then I've got a video that shows you step by step how to create a Facebook Business Manager and how to run your campaign through the Business Manager. So watch the video, but first watch this video before you go and watch the other video on Facebook Business Manager. And the campaign objective that we're going to be using on our Facebook Business Manager in order to run this Instagram story ads is traffic ads. Traffic ads is a perfect way with Instagram stories as a placement to get more audience to convert into followers. If none of this making any sense guys, don't worry, by end of this video you know how to run an Instagram story ads and get tons of followers for your Instagram business account. So without any delay guys, let's quickly jump in the Mac and show you how you could get more followers for your Instagram business page. So before we create our Instagram story ads, the first thing we need to do is create a lookalike audience. In order to create a Instagram lookalike audience, what you need to do is click on business tools and then scroll down and go to audiences. And from there I've already created a lookalike audience 6% for UK, but I'll show you how to create the. In order to create a lookalike audience, first you need to create a custom audience. So you click on create audience and then create a custom audience, and there you need to use your source. So we're gonna use Instagram account as a source. So click on Instagram account and then it says up here, add people to your audience, including people who meet any of the following criteria. Then the first thing you need to do is choose Instagram account. I'll choose my Instagram account, and then anyone who engaged with your professional Instagram account in the past 365 days. You want to keep this broad guys. As you got tons of followers and tons of engagement, a lot of traffic coming to your Instagram account, you want to keep this broad and name your custom audience. So I'm going to name this like test audience 01 or something, and then I'll create this audience. So from that audience I'm going to create a lookalike audience. So the lookalike audience, first thing you need to do is select your audience location. So you could select any country, any region. You could even browse there and select any country in the world or any continent. I recommend starting off with the United Kingdom first. If you're from UK, obviously, whichever country you're first, start off with that one, and then select your audience size, number of lookalike audience. Do 1% of a lookalike audience. That's from the audience, from the custom audience that's already been interacted with your Instagram. 1% it'll give you about 457,000. I recommend that you least go for 5 to 6% of a lookalike audience. I usually leave you at 6%. We're gonna get followers, so we need more people, more traffic to go to our Instagram account. That's more likely to convert to our followers. So I would say at least 6%. That will give us a audience size of lookalike audience size of 2.7 million, and then you just create your lookalike audience. I'm not going to create a lookalike audience guys because I've already created one earlier on. So we're going to use this one to create our Instagram ads. So now that we created our lookalike audience, let's go and create our campaign. So what I'm going to do is click on create, and then we're going to choose the campaign objective. In this case is going to be, the consideration is going to be a traffic. We're going to run a traffic ad. Let's quickly give this a name. CBO stands for campaign budget optimization. Two ways of setting your price, either on the ad set or on the campaign level, which is the campaign budget optimization. And with campaign budget optimization, if you have multiple ad set and you have to allocate different ad budget, you could either do that way, or even if you're running a single ads, you could use campaign budget optimization. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to call this, we're going to run a campaign budget optimization, and let's copy this to our ad set level and paste that there. But obvious, instead of CBA, we'll do ad set, and on the ad level we're just gonna paste this again and call this just ad. Okay, so we've got IG story add the CBO, we've got IG story ad set, and IG story ad level. So 3 different level, and we're going to run our traffic ads. So we'll continue after that. So up here, what we're going to do, as I said, we're going to on the campaign budget optimization, and we're going to set this to always start off your campaign with the ad budget of £5 per day if you're from UK, or $5 if you're from the United States. Everything else up here you leave as is, and then you go into the ad set level, and then up here you've got, what you need to do is leave everything as default, do not change anything, everything is fine, everything is up here, it's fine. When it comes to audience, you're gonna select saved audience, and then you're gonna choose your 6% lookalike audience from UK. So we're gonna choose that one, and make sure whichever country you've selected your lookalike audience in, you also add up here. So our lookalike audience from Great Britain, leave the age, gender, detail targeting, everything as it. Do not want to narrow this down even further, so keep everything as it is. Facebook is intelligent enough to find the right audience for you, so leave everything as it is. And then what you need to do is on the placements, you do not want to do automatic placement. If you're running normal ads, that's fine, but we're going to run this Instagram story ad. So what we're going to do is click on the radio button, manual placement, and then we're going to uncheck everything else and just choose Instagram. But we're going to run an Instagram story ad. So we're going to get rid of the feed Explorer as well. We're going to rid of Explorer, and we're just going to just leave Instagram story. In my experience, what I found was story ads convert better. If you want to get more followers, Instagram story ads with the lookalike audience is the best method to get more potential followers to your Instagram account. I've tested with Instagram feed, I've tested with Instagram Explorer, I've tested with the Instagram stories, and I could tell you now Instagram story converts better than Instagram feeds and Instagram Explorer. So that's what we're going with. And then we leave all the device as it is, leave optimization and delivery as it is as well. And then we'll click next on the ad set. On the ad level, what you need to do is you need to select your Facebook business page. Remember, you need a business page in order to run Instagram ads or Facebook ads. So we're going to select our business page first. So I'm going to quickly select my Facebook business page that I want to use to run this ad, and that will automatically pull through my Instagram account, which is my personal Instagram account. Now what we're going to do is we're going to run on the video ads. So you could either use single image or video. What we're going to do is add the video. So we're going to click on add media, video. I've already uploaded a video up here before, so if you don't know how to upload it, what you do is just click on upload and you select your video, and then you'll bring it to this section up here. You just select the video you want to upload, and then you click on next. See how it's going to be placed on the story. So you just keep it as it is, and you just click on done. And once the video gets uploaded, there's few more tweaks we need to do. First of all, this video, once it plays on the story, it'll be muted by default. Any video ads will be muted on Instagram or Facebook feeds or stories. What you need to do is add a transcript or subtitle to your video. In order to do that, is you go to our website called rev.com, and then you create an account with them. I'll leave a link in the comment section below. What you do is you basically create an account with them, and then you choose the transcription service, which is $1.25, and it's really cheap, and they do 99% accuracy on the transcription, and then you get that subtitle. So once you've done that, you download the file. Make sure you choose Facebook format. I think there's different format. Make sure you choose the Facebook format, and once you've done that, what you do to your video is you click on edit video, and then you click on caption CC, and then I've already done this before, so let me just quickly show you how to do it. 1 second. So it'll ask you to upload the SRT file. That's the file format for Facebook. So what we're going to do is upload this, and then click on the Instagram story ad SRT format, and we open this one, and then we select our language, which is by default English, and we save this. So now what's going to happen is, if I expand this, you could see when this video gets played, by default is going to be muted, but you'll have the transcription with the subtitles. So there you go. Hi guys, my name is Muqtadi Chaudhry. I'm owner of a successful digital marketing agency. So when people scroll through the stories, they will be able to read your caption, and that will grab their attention. So once you've done that, you don't need to actually put anything else up here. Keep everything else as default. You just paste your URL of your Instagram account, so which I'm going to do now, and paste this up here on the URL. So, and then the call to action, what we're going to do is we'll keep the default. There's other call to action up here. Let me quickly show you. There's a see menu, shop now, sign up, subscribe, watch more, learn more is the best one to keep. You just keep everything as default. Let's just view and see how it looks. So if I click on this expand, we can see how it looks on the story as we're running a story. So hi guys, my name is Muqtadi Chaudhry. I'm owner of a successful digital marketing agency, and then that's how it's gonna play. And with a call to action, learn more. And once you're ready, once you've done that, you paste the URL of your Instagram account, then you're just ready to publish your Instagram ad, and that's it guys. That's all you need to do to run an Instagram story ads. So guys, hope you got tons of value from these videos, and now you know how to run Instagram story ads from Facebook Business Manager. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the future videos. And also guys, as I said, let's get this channel to 100 subscribers, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't already done so. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I shall see you all in the next video.